once you get monetized on YouTube in Zambia, when does YouTube pay you, or when should you expect the payment to hit your bank? Well, according to AdSense only pays on the 21st or 22nd of every month. So here's how YouTube payments work. So YouTube won't pay you the money you've made this month and pay you the same month, no. So the money you make in today's month, you only get paid the following month. So in case you've not understood that, let us say today is January, okay? Let us say you are monetized on 1st of January of 2025, right? Okay, and as I said earlier on, YouTube pays, or AdSense pays on 21st or 22nd of every month. So since you're monetized on 1st of the month, you won't get paid on 22nd because YouTube will only pay you money that you've made in the previous month, not in the current month. So which means the money you're going to make in January, you'll be paid in the following month on 21st or 22nd. Okay, the same again will apply in February. The money you make in February, you get paid in March on 21st or 22nd. The money you make in April or May, you'll be paid in the following month on 21st or 22nd. And this is how payments on YouTube works. Okay, yeah. So you will not be paid for 22nd days, like the money you've made in 22 days. No, you'll be paid the money you've made in a full month. I think it has to be 30. Okay, so the 22, 21, it's simply just a day when YouTube sends that money. Okay, so now when YouTube sends that money, you to take like just, for example, if YouTube sends the money during a working day, by the following day in the morning, you should receive the money. And YouTube payments are very fast, actually even faster than sending money to a different bank within the same country. Sometimes it can take like an entire full day. Like for example, if you send at 16, you might receive the following day at a later time. But YouTube, I think, takes hours. And again, I've had situations whereby, okay, the money came almost instantly. Yeah, it's very much possible. Yeah, it's very much possible. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. But for now, this is Keith.